Oh, that's so obnoxious. I love it. Hey guys, so today we're going to be removing the stock air intake from the Audi S4. So first things we're going to do is remove this guy right here. So what you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver to remove the engine cover. I'll pop one of this right up in there. And this little tab should come right off. Little tab right here. And then, actually came off much easier than I thought it would. Pull this guy back from, kind of got to shimmy it up. Dead bug. And then you're going to need a T20 screwdriver. And I want to remove these two stars right here. And I was right, you do need a T20, not T25. So you're going to remove this air inlet. Whenever you do, do not lose the screws. Once the screws are removed, you can pull this forward and then up, like so. So then you're going to need to loosen. Ooh, that's hot. Oi. Hot. Let's put this on the ground too. You're going to need to loosen these two flatheads right here. Like so. That's one. Really gotta loosen it. There we go. So you want to pull away from this inlet because it is plastic. And then kind of get it past that lip, pull it off there. There we go. Don't need that anymore, but hang on to it anyways. And then you want to grab the inlet and just lift it up. There we go. So then you have these three rubber grommets. Gonna want to hang on to those because they're gonna go in these two spots. This one's not needed. So then what you're gonna want to do is take your heat shield and start screwing these guys onto these slots, like so. I would leave them a little finger tight because you're going to want to position them properly with everything else. And then you're going to grab those grommets I mentioned. Ew. Kind of pop them on there. Likewise with this one. There we go. And then you're going to want to just kind of drop it in. You kind of feel it like lock in a little bit. This one's giving me more trouble than I want. Push in from the bottom. So then you're going to grab from the kit. You're actually going to get two of each because there is a ring for the for the 2 liter. And then I would recommend putting this guy in here. There we go. So this will go here, like, yeah. So let's go put this in first. Grab this, go away fly. Then we're gonna go like in here. Take a little bit of finagling. Let's tighten this up just enough so it'll stay. We'll tighten this one up a lot, wow. So that it'll stay. Still needs a little bit more. This is exhilarating, isn't it, guys? So then you're gonna kind of prop it up, make sure you can get to the tightening bit, and just push it in as much as you can. Don't break anything. And then twist it so that it reaches the intake. Maybe give it a more push. There we go. Perfect. There we go. Get that all the way to the edge. Then finagle. There we go. God, that took much longer than needed to. And we're going to tighten that end. Grab the filter. There we go. You kind of have to wiggle it around a little bit. Looks pretty secure. Loosen this puppy up. That's tightening it. Good job. Nice and flush. And tighten this one. And last, we're going to put on this guy. Second to last. Let's not lose the screws. I'd line up this outside one first. Get that flush. Screw that one in right there. Alright, and then pop this puppy on. I'd suggest putting it on the correct way. Then you gotta pop these tabs in. And then this is kind of, maybe I thought it does. Go. There we go. And then say goodbye to your intake. Roll one. And then see how it sounds. All right, we're gonna do a little soft pull. Ooh! Woohoo! That's nice. That is worth it. Guys, the nicest thing about this is that even at low speeds, when you get into a little boost, just enough, it has noise. Oh, that's so obnoxious. I love it. Overall, I think CTS Turbo got a very bad rep. I expected lower parts quality based on what everyone was saying, but genuinely surprised. The heat shield was a nice metal. Everything felt super high quality. I didn't see any damage on any of the parts. Would have liked some instructions, but from the videos I saw on how to do it, it was pretty straightforward. The hardest thing is just kind of aligning the inlet tube with the intake or the intake filter, and kind of getting all that snug together. I'm gonna probably just double check after a day or so, make sure everything's still tight and stuff. But overall, the sound is great. It really gets on at whenever the turbo spools up, even if you get like a little boost on the gauge. So yeah, definitely worth it. And honestly, for the sound, I haven't really noticed like anything beyond it. Just the horsepower and all that. You really need a tune and a better intercooler to get the benefits of just breathing extra. But honestly, just a oh my god, that's gonna be so obnoxious. Oh man, videos don't do it justice. So hope you guys liked it. I really recommend just a cold air intake for that, for the extra fun on your car. It's a simple mod and wouldn't really affect the warranty in my opinion, especially because it's just such a small component of the whole engine that doesn't really do much beyond just filtering the air. But yeah, what do I know? Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Follow for more content. I really appreciate all the support I've been getting. Continuing to post the best I can with the highest quality I can, but learning every day. So thank you for all those supported, and hope you enjoy additional videos coming down the pike.